Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough for them and they want sound. That's what I'm doing here. Guys, I'm also going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, por favor esperen. Alright guys, to begin, the handle doesn't come with the machine. I just put this handle here just to give you the test, and the pictures you're not going to see the handle, okay? I already throw some good pictures inside here like that. You can see the flywheel and everything. Alright, let me show you here a little bit. I'm going to try to move it with a alright, I think we got it there. Remember guys, I said for parts, not to repair. This is a broken machine. This is for parts. Take parts out of the machine and use it, okay? Sorry about the noise, my neighbor. Alright, let me see if we can have a little shove here from the top. Alright, you got it there. Alright, we're gonna do a little test. Oh, you can see the tank here. Remember, everything is dirty guys, you have to clean up everything. You can see it's a little dirty there. You gotta do the thing. It didn't come with it came with that one, only came with the one on the. Actually, let me open this because I have to drain it anyway. Oh, okay, you sent this. You have it there, alright. Alright, let's give it a shot to see where we are. First, I'm gonna do it without the. Like that, you can hear a little bit of the sound of the. Let me open a little more. Okay, close in here. I'm gonna put the spark plug now. Okay, guys. If I can find that right here. Alright, let's throw a little of the magic, a little gasoline. It's gonna be a straight. I don't think it's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. You never know. Maybe I can blow. Alright, I'm gonna put it here to the side. I hope you can catch a little of the side. Woo, baby. Woo. Calm down, girl. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing happened. Okay. Alright. Just calm down. Alright. I love it. You know, it's a stationary time I can bring something like that back to life that I know is gonna go. You know, somebody's gonna use it as a donation. I don't know how to put it, guys. Remember, guys, this doesn't come. Okay, I'm gonna take it out, put everything back together. You have it here. I don't know which one is it. I guess you're gonna help me out. I think it's a. This one, it says it's a 290. It's the same from another one, but I don't know if it's a 290. I don't know, but this one fits inside there. I guess it's close to the number. I guess you guys will help me out and let me know what it is. You have it there. So far we know the handle works, or not handle, sorry, flywheel works and the coil works. Remember, the handle doesn't come. Okay, I'm gonna throw better pictures and we do the best. Thank you. If you like what I'm doing, remember, subscribe to my channel and press a like. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Mira mi cazadora. Ella se cree que ella está en una selva y como es de todo tipo de animales, ella se cree que va. Bueno mi gente, ahí vieron. Recuérdense que esta tapa no viene, la puse aquí de prueba. Ya estuvieron mirando ahí cuando le puse todo, como la maquinita luce adentro, le puse lo que es el pistón, he tirado fotos. Ya vieron ya que sube y baja, pero recuérdense que estas máquinas son rotas. Estas máquinas son para piezas, estas máquinas no son para arreglar, no se les olvide. Y esta vino así mismo y a esta le faltan cositas, recuérdense. Estas son máquinas que es para sacarle lo que pueda sacarle, pero son para piezas. Muy importante. Bueno, ahí vieron ya saben que la bobina funciona. Y la mariposa funciona porque acuérdense la ladera no viene incluida. Esa es de otra máquina que la estoy poniendo así porque esta no vino. Bueno mi gente, ya saben, cualquier cosita, alguna pregunta, alguna duda, aquí estamos, fíjense en la foto, suscríbanse a mi canal y apriétame un like si les gusta lo que estoy haciendo.